Is your environment a reflection of your mind? Just as a mirror reveals our outer appearance, our surroundings often mirror the state of our inner world. A cluttered space can reflect a cluttered mind, and vice versa. Welcome to Kai's Calm Kit. In today's video, we dive into how your environment impacts your mental clarity and how tidying up can clear more than just your physical space. Maintaining an organized environment is not just about cleaning up. It's about cultivating an outer space that enhances and supports the clarity of your inner thoughts. It's about making your external world conducive to a clear, focused mind. Today, we will explore practical ways to align your physical and digital realms with the calm and clarity you seek within. Let's uncover how transforming your surroundings can directly enhance your mental clarity and overall well-being. Have you ever noticed how a cluttered desk or an overflowing inbox can make you feel overwhelmed and stressed? Both physical and digital clutter are more than just visual nuisances. They contribute significantly to mental fog and increased stress levels. Clutter constantly signals to our brain that our work is never done, which can lead to feelings of anxiety and hinder our ability to focus. Psychological studies support the idea that the state of our environments often reflect our mental health. For instance, research has shown that people who describe their living spaces as cluttered and full of unfinished projects are more likely to be fatigued and depressed. Conversely, a clean and organized home has been linked to improved mood and reduced stress, fostering a sense of competence and self-efficacy. Think about the time you felt on top of your tasks and motivated. Likely, your surroundings were tidy and orderly, facilitating the positive mental state. Conversely, during down periods, we might let things pile up, both physically and digitally, mirroring our internal chaos. So, take a moment to reflect. Does your environment reflect your mental state? If your surroundings are cluttered and chaotic, consider this an opportunity. By organizing and clearing out the unnecessary elements in your physical and digital realms, you can start to lift the mental fog and cultivate a sharper, more focused mind. Let's delve into practical strategies for decluttering and optimizing your physical environment to support mental clarity. Here is how to transform key areas of your life. The workspace where you spend significant parts of your day should be a priority in your organizing efforts. To enhance focus and productivity, start by clearing away all unnecessary items from your desk. Adopt a minimalist approach. Keep only what you need for daily tasks within reach. Consider ergonomic setups that keep your posture aligned and reduce strain. Additionally, investing in proper storage solution can drastically reduce physical clutter. Use drawer organizers, shelves, and labels to ensure everything has a place. To further refine your workspace, watch our video Zendesk, a guide with detailed steps to create a serene and efficient workplace. The link is in the description or in the pop-up at the top right of this video. In living areas, focus on creating a soothing environment where you can relax without distraction. Use baskets and decorative bins to store common living areas items like remote controls, magazines, and small electronics. Choose furniture with built-in storage for additional hidden space. Regular maintenance such as weekly decluttering sessions help keep these areas peaceful and inviting. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary, not a storage room. Start by removing items that do not contribute to rest or relaxation, such as excess electronics and work-related materials. Utilize anti-bed storage for seasonal clothing or extra linens to free up closet space. Emphasizing simplicity in your bedroom design can significantly impact your sleep quality and mental peace. Finally, regular maintenance is crucial across all areas. Set a routine cleaning schedule to prevent clutter from accumulating. This could be as simple as 10-minute nightly cleanup or weekly rigorous cleaning session. Maintaining order is not a one-time task, but a continuous effort that contributes significantly to a mentally clear and productive environment. In this section, we focus on the critical aspects of digital hygiene, which plays a pivotal role in maintaining mental clarity in our increasingly online lives. Digital clutter can be just as disruptive as physical clutter, affecting our mental clarity and productivity. Every unread email, disorganized file, and cluttered desktop competes for your attention, creating a persistent cognitive load that can lead to decision fatigue and stress. Effective digital hygiene helps streamline information processing, reduce stress, and bolsters your focus and decision-making abilities. Start by creating a logical directory structure on your computer or cloud storage service. Categories should be broad, with nested folders for detailed sorting. For instance, a main folder for projects can have subfolders for each project. Regularly archive old files that are no longer needed but might be useful in the future. Utilize file naming conventions that include dates, project identifiers, or other relevant details to help you find documents quickly. Email can become overwhelming quickly. To manage your inbox effectively, unsubscribe from newsletters or updates you no longer read. Use folders or labels to categorize emails by project, urgency, or type. Set specific times to check your email daily to avoid constant interruptions. Employ email tools or features like autofilter to automatically sort incoming emails and use templates for common responses to save time. Keep your digital devices tidy. Regularly clear out unused apps that take up space and distract you. Organize apps into folders based on categories or usage frequency. Clean up your desktop to ensure that it displays only essential items or folders. Utilize cloud storage to keep less frequently used files off your local storage but accessible when needed. Implement a digital cleanup day once a month to review and organize your digital spaces, ensuring they remain conducive to productivity and mental clarity. By addressing both the organization of digital files and the management of digital communication, these tips aim to significantly reduce the mental clutter that can impede your focus and productivity. Effective digital hygiene not only simplifies your digital life, but also enhances your overall cognitive function. Let's explore how integrating cleaning and organizing into daily routines can enhance mental clarity and contribute to a healthier, more focused lifestyle. To sustain a clear mental environment, make cleaning and organizing a regular part of your daily routine. Start small, even dedicating just 5 to 10 minutes each day to tidying up can make a significant difference. Consider setting a specific time each day for this activity, such as a quick cleanup session before dinner or a brief organizing time before starting your workday. This not only helps maintain cleanliness, but also ensures that your environment continually supports your mental clarity. Establishing routines and rituals around cleaning and organizing can significantly boost your mental well-being. These routines provide a sense of control and order, reducing anxiety and making your daily life more predictable and manageable. The ritual of organizing can serve as a grounding activity that reduces stress and enhances focus, creating a calm and orderly space that reflects and supports a clear mind. Approach cleaning and organizing not just as chores, but as rituals of self-care. By doing so, you transform these tasks from mundane activities into mindful practices that nurture your mental health. Each act of decluttering can be seen as a removing mental cobwebs, each sweeping or wiping down as clearing out stagnant energy. Embrace these moments to reflect on the benefits not only for your space, but for your mind and the mind of those around you. These rituals of cleaning and organizing, when done regularly and mindfully, provide both visible and invisible benefits. They not only create a more pleasant living and working environment, but also cultivate a mental landscape where clarity and peace are the norms. Recognize and celebrate the effort you put into maintaining these spaces as vital contributions to your overall well-being. As we've explored today, transforming your environment is a powerful step towards enhancing your mental clarity. Why not start small today? Rearrange and declutter a corner of your room or organize your digital files for a few minutes. It's the small steps that lead to big changes. If you found these tips helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to Case Calm Kit, and share your experiences or your own tips on creating a space that supports clarity and focus in the comments below. Don't stop here. Take the next step by checking out our video Zen Your Desk for detailed guidance on organizing your space. And for more insights, tips, and hacks to achieve a clear mind, explore our dedicated playlist on mental clarity. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Keep taking those small steps towards a clear, more focused environment, and see you in the next video. Much love.